Hey everyone, welcome back to Chart Smart Bharat. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever looked at the chart and wondered what those red and green bars are? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Keep watching till the end because this is going to be a very interesting and informative video. Yes, they are called candlesticks, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to read them, even if you are brand new to the trading. So each candlestick represents the price movement during a set time. What I mean by that, so as you see, the time frame here is weekly. So each candle is representing the price movement during that particular week. If I change it to daily, then the price movement during the daily time frame. If I change it to quarterly, then each candle represents the price movement during that quarter, and so on. Now, what does a candle tells me? A candle tells us four things: open, close, high, and low, which I also covered in my last video, and you can find the link in the top right corner as well as in the description of this video. So the part between open and close is called body of the candle. And if the candle is green, it means the price went up, and if the candle is red, then it means the price went down. These thin lines which you see on top and bottom of the candle are called high and low of the candle. Now you must be thinking, okay, why should I care? Because candlestick help traders to understand the sentiment of the market. Or in other words, it tells you who is in control. For example, if I draw a line here, you can see the price is continuously going up, and it clearly means that the buyers are in control. And if I go back and if I see here, then you can see the price was continuously going down, which means the sellers were in control. Now we understood this, let's talk about some beginner-friendly candlestick patterns. And we will start with the most common one, which is called Doji. So this is called a Doji candle. When the open price and the close price is almost same, and the candle has wicks on both the sides. So in this candle, if I try to explain the psychology behind it, the buyers and sellers are continuously fighting to take the price in their direction, but they are unable to move the price neither in up direction nor in down direction. So this is a candle of indecision, where the price is not going in any particular direction. And in case of Doji, the candle next to it is always candle of interest, because that could give you some kind of clue in which direction the price will go. Okay, now let's study about the second chart pattern, which is called engulfing. So as name suggests, this green candle engulfed this red candle completely. If I try to explain that, here you can see the sellers were in control. The price was continuously coming down, and then the buyers came and took control, and it is often a sign of reversal, and it's expected that the price will go up if you see this pattern somewhere, especially in downtrend. The next pattern which we are going to study about is hammer. So in this one, you can see the price was coming down, which means the sellers are in control. In this particular candle, the price opened here, and the sellers were still in control, and they were taking the price down. But then the buyers came, and then they took the price up and keep taking it up, which means the buyers are taking control from the sellers now. And it is expected that the price will keep on going up from here, because this is again often a sign of reversal. Okay, now we understand candlestick, what it represents, what are the key parts of the candle, and some patterns. Now, key takeaways of this whole session is that do not trade based on one candle. Use them as clue, not as the confirmation, and always pair them with something. What I mean by that is because I trade based on demand and supply, and if I see any bullish pattern in my demand zone, then it would give me even more confidence, and then I can plan my trade accordingly. Finally, if this helped you to understand candlesticks better, drop a like and comment below your favorite pattern or the one that confused you. And if you want more simple beginner friendly trading tips, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.